welcome back to my channel. My name is Pelumi. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Yesterday Vlogmas Day 1 was a behind the scenes of my pop-up shop event, and if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. It'll be showing on the screen right now. So this is Vlogmas Day 2 and I'm planning on vlogging every day up until Christmas. I just hope I manage. Yeah, I really just hope I manage. But so what will I be doing? I mean, I'm mostly indoors, to be honest, so there wouldn't be like much, and let me not even say anything. But what I'm doing today right now is sewing. So as you just saw me, I have already cut out the trouser pattern. So I did a collaboration with a fellow YouTuber by the name of Remy Geniad, and actually the video will be coming out on Friday. So I did the pattern and then she did the sewing video, so I also have to sew my trousers so we can show it together. So I'm gonna sew my trouser now. I haven't been able to sew it all this time because I was preparing for the market and I also have a job and blah blah blah, but now I'm gonna sew. Today is Tuesday, right? 1st of December. Yes, so the vlog, that's today's vlog, will be out tomorrow. So kind of, I don't know how it's gonna go, but yeah, basically that's it. So today, the agenda for today is sew the palazzo pants, and then what else will I do? That's basically it. I wanted to take like pictures for my product, like Christmas themed pictures for like the small items that I would consider as like small gift items for Christmas, so I could do like a gift guide. I'll do that tomorrow, so that, you know what, that would be the activity for tomorrow. But right now I'm wasting time because it's already past 2 p.m. and what I want to do right now is iron interfacing to the waistbands of the trouser as well as the pocket facing. So that's what I'm going to do right now, iron interfacing. Someone asked me on my Instagram DMs to talk about how to get started sewing. So instead of doing a separate video, I think I would just talk about it right here, and maybe in subsequent videos I can maybe expand on it. So tips for learning how to sew, or what you need to get started with sewing. I'm gonna talk about the sewing machine. So for a sewing machine, like I said, you just need a basic one as a beginner, right? Don't go ahead and buy the computerized like industrial sewing machine. No, a basic domestic home sewing machine will be fine for you. And features to watch out for are the ability to do a straight stitch, a zigzag stitch to back stitch, and then things like length control, tension control, and mine even has a thread cutter by the side, which I use often, and it has a bunch of stitches, I think about 20 or so, but I don't use them that much. So those, in terms of sewing machine, that's it. Most sewing machines have the same functions, so you just have to look at your budget, check out reviews, and I said I'm gonna leave a link to sewing machines that I would recommend, because I don't think this can be found anywhere apart from South Africa. So that's it. And then make sure that your sewing machine is like sturdy and durable. Like mine is quite heavy, it has some weight, so when you buy it, watch out for the weight. Don't go ahead and buy those, you know, those really small machines. I'm going to pop it on the screen. Don't buy those small machines or those handheld machines. When I started sewing, I already had a sewing machine, but my dad went ahead and bought me one of those small machines, and it was cute. But no, don't buy those sewing machines. Get started, buy an affordable one, a proper sewing machine, but it's affordable according to your budget. And then I think that's it about sewing machines. The next thing to consider are the tools you need. You don't need a lot of things, guys, and I would say you need your fabric scissors, your paper scissors. Don't use the same scissors to cut fabric and paper. You need things like your seam ripper, your snips. You need pins and pin cushions. I'm using a sponge like I said already. And then you need things like your bobbin and your bobbin holder. You need a ruler, a curved ruler as well, to like curve your armhole or your hips or sleeve heads. And then you also need a straight ruler. You need your measuring tape. You also need chalk or fabric markers. You need what else you do need? What else haven't I said? Yeah, if you're gonna use pattern paper, you know, just pattern making things like erasers, sharpeners, you know, those basic things. Don't go out and buy the whole the whole section or in the haberdashery store. No, just in the basic things. I'm sure you already have rulers and stuff around your house. So that's basically what you need in terms of tools. And like I said, with sewing you have to be patient. I even made a mistake right now when I was sewing. I sewed the wrong side of the pocket, so I had to take it out and put it back in. You make small mistakes like that and it can get frustrating as a beginner, but don't be frustrated. Like, take a deep breath and start again. Your seam ripper will be your best friend, trust me. Where's my seam ripper now? Actually, it's always beside me. I don't seem to find it here, y'all. I need my seam ripper. It was here just now. Guys, it's probably on the floor. Things when you're sewing, things like disappear. Like, you just use it now and then it disappears. Like, this is, I just used it to take out the pockets, and now I cannot seem to find it. This could get frustrating as well, but you need to be patient when you're sewing. For real though, guys, we are now. I know I didn't leave this place. Yeah, and my sewing machine has like this compartment thing that also helps to extend the sewing area of the sewing machine. This is weird. I cannot find my seam ripper, and I just used it. It's not under the sewing machine. It's not on the chair. I'm gonna have to check under the chair. I found it. I found my seam ripper. The cardio I just did right now, it was under the chair. So yeah, need your seam ripper. What else did I say? Yeah, be patient to get through things, and I'm planning on doing like a beginner series showing you how to sew a straight stitch, how to use a zigzag stitch to, you know, like finish up your seams. Don't worry, just stay tuned for all that. Just subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything and turn on your notification, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and continue sewing my trousers because I need to finish this on time. So what I'm gonna do now is just join the legs. No, join the crotch first and then the legs. I forgot the steps. Okay, let's do that. Sewing, guys, it's important to always press. Trust me, I used to be lazy to press, but it does even help you after you're done sewing, because it's way difficult to press after you're done stitching everything together. So just do it while you sew. It's about to rain. And yeah, how has your 2020 been? Happy new month. It's been a rough ride for most of us, but I'm sure tiny pockets of good things have happened. So please do share in the comment section. How was your 2020 been? What have you learned? What exciting thing happened? You know, that regardless of how it was, you know, it's been good for you. Please let me know. that would be fun to share. And careful with the temperature, because guys, I've burned some things. I've burned a few things and it's not nice. You cannot fix the burn. Okay, hey guys, I'm done with my trousers. I'm gonna show you right now. Well, I'm not done. I still want to shorten the hem. I think it's too long because guys, I only wear heels for pictures. In real life, I love comfort. I love comfort. So this is it. I love it, but it's too long for my everyday living. I wear flats most of the time, so what I need to do is just shorten it. But otherwise, I love the crotch area. And yeah, I also didn't make it as wide as so I had to take in the legs by another half an inch because it was looking too wide. So I'm not sure I love that, you know, that palazzo look. I think I love like a wide leg straight trouser. So this is what it is. It's not really palazzo. So if you want to see how to draft the pattern, stay tuned till Friday. And if you want to see how to sew, stay tuned to Friday as well for Remy's video. And I think, yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here officially. So there'll be another vlog again tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, join me on Vlogmas and let's celebrate the festive seasons. Guys, we've had a rough 2020, so we do need something fun and we need a break. We definitely need a break. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.